Mastering the Art of Pumpkin Pie. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're not just exploring new vocabulary. We're going to learn how to bake a pumpkin pie through English. Whether you're here to improve your English skills or to learn a classic American recipe, you're in for a delicious lesson. Let's get started. Before we roll up our sleeves and get into the actual baking, let's break down what bake a pumpkin pie means. Baking is a method of cooking food using prolonged dry heat, usually in an oven. It's a popular cooking technique for making sweets, breads, and pastries. A pumpkin pie is a traditional North American dessert, especially famous around Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's made from a spiced pumpkin-based custard filling in a pie crust. So, when we say, bake a pumpkin pie, we're talking about the process of preparing and cooking this delicious dessert. To bake a pumpkin pie, you'll need several key ingredients. Pumpkin puree, which forms the base of the filling. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, which give the pie its signature flavor. Eggs and evaporated milk to create a smooth, custard-like texture. Sugar to sweeten the mix. And, of course, a pie crust to hold all that goodness. You'll also need some basic kitchen equipment. A mixing bowl to combine your ingredients, a whisk or mixer, a pie dish, and an oven for baking. Baking a pumpkin pie involves several steps. 1. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature. 2. Prepare the pie crust by laying it in your pie dish and shaping the edges. 3. Mix the filling by combining the pumpkin puree, spices, eggs, evaporated milk, and sugar. 4. Pour the filling into the crust. 5. Bake until the filling is set but still slightly wobbly in the center. 6. Cool the pie before serving to allow it to set fully. Each step involves specific actions and decisions, such as how long to bake the pie or how to know when it's done. These details are crucial for achieving the perfect pumpkin pie. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to understanding and baking a pumpkin pie, all while practicing your English. We hope this video not only helps you master a new recipe but also expands your English vocabulary and cooking skills. Remember, learning English can be as fun and satisfying as enjoying a slice of homemade pumpkin pie. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.